and welcome back to ShortTutor. Here we simplify business fundamentals into easy to understand concepts. You might be wondering why a channel focused on business insights is now talking about machine learning. Well, stick around and by the end of the video, you will have the answer. From YouTube shorts that keep you scrolling for hours to helping multinational brands predict the next year's sales, machine learning is everywhere. So, what exactly is this machine learning? Simply put, it is teaching computers to learn from data and make decisions without needing to be explicitly programmed for every situation. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you receive hundreds of emails every day, and many of them are spam promotional emails about credit cards, and you need to automate the filtering of these messages into spam folder. Maybe on a clear analysis, you found most of the mails from credit card companies have words like for you, credit card, amazing, free, or something like that. So the smart you write a decision algorithm to flag all the emails that have the words or phrases mentioned. And now, instead of for you, the credit card companies start emailing you with phrases for you in letters. Now, if you need to make the changes, you need to hard code that again. In this way, you have to keep changing the code forever whenever the credit card companies make the change. But here is the catch. If you use machine learning models, it notices that many users are flagging the emails with for you in it, and then the algorithm starts flagging those emails without any intervention. Similar to this, another fascinating use case is speech recognition. With people having different accents and different speed in delivery, it will be nearly impossible to do speech recognition without machine learning. And another use case to be highlighted is data mining. Let's take our spam filtering example. The system learns which new keywords are frequently associated with spams and improve the database. The process of collecting this data and gaining insights is called data mining. Now, this data could be fetched and used as a raw data for a different model also. Now, pause the screen for a second and think about any task that you ever felt frustrated about, and now you think that machine learning could help improve the decision making and the business. Do mention that in the comments. Let's share and learn. Stay tuned to ShortTutor to know more about machine learning and how it could be used in your businesses. To help us motivated to keep up with the work, please share this video with your friends who might find this helpful.